Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon carrot. Before we get started today, let's practice on some sketching techniques. Let's begin with a circle. As you notice, I'll start very lightly and I'll get a little darker and darker. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's practice on a square now. Going to do the sides one at a time, a little light and go a little darker, a little more pressure each time to kind of square it off. Just there we go. I like that. Okay, let's do some speed lines now. As you'll notice, I'll go one at a time, straight, light, and get a little heavier, and light, a little heavier, straight out. All right, let's practice on a curve. I'll begin very light again and just keep on flowing over the same line, but putting a little bit more pressure as I go. Good. Let's practice on some zigzagging. Keep them tight first. Very tight now. Yep. And open them up and try to apply less pressure. Yeah, that looks good. Let's begin our cartoon carrot. Let's start our happy cartoon carrot. Alright, want to do the basic sketch now. Light, get the form there. Okay, sketchy, that's great what we're doing. I like it very loose, not tight with the pencils now. Building this form. I guess let's get the top part of the hair on the carrot. This one's going to be a fun one, I know. A little quick crosshair there where the eyeballs are going to go. Shade them in a little darker. There we go, get a little darker more. Yep, make the other one a little small in perspective so it looks like it's going around the carrot. Give them a big smile, that's it. Open it up. Yep. Alright, give them a little tongue and get the speed lines to color the shade in there. There we go. Yeah, looking good, a little darker, and gotta get that expression. Yep. And let's put a little eyelashes on the side. A little girly carrot this time. Let's start working on the form a little bit more, give a little bit more of a curve for each one of those areas. So there we go. On the other side and finishing up. In the bottom, a little hair on the bottom of the carrot. The top end. Alright, let's get the green going on the top. Really quick, loose, wavy kind of a leafy area. I'm just going to create a little bit more in the middle there and the one behind. Alright, and just shade that one in since it's behind. Give it a little dimension. Those quick little speed lines again. Make it a little darker now. This is just a simple, quick sketch. And let's get a little shadow, how the shadow line might be working there. Lightly again, very lightly to give some dimension on the carrot now. That's looking good. Yeah, I think we're just about done on this one. Now just sign it. Next one done. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Check out some of my sketches. The sketches you're currently reviewing, I created two different techniques. One, traditional, paper and pencil, while the other, I used my computer. You'll notice some were very sketchy while others were more detailed. The sketchy ones probably were just on the tip of my head and I wanted to get them out before I forgot them, while the others, I wanted to make sure I take the time to really draw what I need to do, possibly for a project. Hey, check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio. And on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, by the way, make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And check out some of our latest drawing books, like this one, How to Draw 50 Different Cartoon Fish.